Today I'm taking the WORKPRO 4-piece double-sided magnetic collapsible tool tray set. Okay, so these are the trays. You can see those are magnetic. So if you got some nuts and bolts, you can drop them in there and you do not have to worry about them falling out. It is also handy that you can make them shallow like that, so you don't actually have to reach into the parts tray, but you can make it deep enough to accommodate whatever work that you're going to be doing. You got that nice two-tone color on there. This appears to be like a silicone rubbery material. Got the magnetic hard base on there, and we got a hard plastic ring on the top. So we do have 4 different trays. They all appear to be the exact same type of material, and they are just different sizes. Looks like we got 2 of the small size, so that is right about 4 1/4 by about 2 3/16. Then our medium tray is about 5 1/4 by 4 1/4, and then our largest tray, we are looking at about 10 inches by about 6 inches. So definitely able to hold a lot of material inside this guy. I also appreciate that you can just pack these guys up. So if you need to throw them in your toolbox, you'll be able to easily accommodate that. So yeah. Those are some excellent little parts trays. Very neat.